Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the November Boxycharm unboxing and half-assed review, because I'm not trying everything, but that's fine. So for those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. So for 25 bucks a month, I get five full-size beauty products sent to me. There is an option for add-ons. Weird thing is that add-ons go live like within like the second week of the month, and then they're sent separately. And then they have quarterly or pop-up shops where you can get really like discounted products, and it's more than just beauty products. There's lifestyle stuff that is available to you as well. So for example, for my November pop-up shop purchase, I actually bought a $6 coffee tumbler. It is not here yet. I just ordered it the other day. I am going to be inserting some footage before we jump into this. Basically, I have some cute footage of Peach with me in my unboxing, and like it was really cute, and I just, oh my god. So there's that, and then we're just gonna jump right into the products after that. So if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to like and subscribe and keep on watching.
Hey, do you want to see what I have in my box? Want to see? Peach? Come here. Hey, what do you think?
Yeah.
Are you inspecting my stuff? On the camera? Hello.
Yeah. Alright, jumping right into the eye palette. This is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. So, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long, retailing at $48. I've seen these palettes before. They've always seemed way too expensive for me. Just not that into it. So for the first shade that I'm going to jump into, I have a set of 2 brushes. I only have one of them with me because I'm only using one. The other one I gave to the cat because he was really excited about it. And so a set of 2 by Moda Ultimate Eye Sculptors. Define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes specifically designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity, Jesus fuck. This is retailing at $15. The first shadow I'm going to be going into is I think this one's called Jasper. I assume it's, I don't know, whatever, it's fine. I barely touched that in the pan, and that picks up really nice. Wow, a little bit goes a long way with this, holy shit. I like the brush too. I've used this brand of brushes before. Really soft bristles. It picks up the product really nicely. It distributes it nicely. It feels very nice in the hand. Alright, so next I'm going to be going into this brown shade and adding that to my crease. Wow, that's really nice. Like, that applies very, very, very nicely. It's a beautiful color. My brushes are so limited, y'all. Oh my god. So I'm going to be dipping into this orange shade, and that is going to be going on my lower lash line. I'm feeling the urge to wet a brush and do my lid, but I'm actually gonna not do that, and I'll save that for another time. If I did get around to doing it by the time this video goes up, check the description box anyway. We'll see. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna be putting that shimmery color on my lid. No product on the brush. I just want to see how this acts. Oh wow. I definitely want to wet the brush, but I'll save that for another time. Bringing that right into my inner corner. I really like this palette. Probably didn't need to use every single shadow for a look, but that's okay. It was really easy to, and I just wanted to use all the shades. So then now lastly going into the white color, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush, adding this to the brow bone and diffusing all of the edges, including the under eye. And there we go. On to the last, three products. Alright, so I have this Jouer lip enhancer infused with good for you clean ingredients. Offers a smooth, silky formula. Protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Retailing at $17. I did use this briefly and I forget what I thought of it, but it comes in like this little Blistexy type liquidy whatever. It's definitely really hydrating. Little glossy feeling. Not super sticky. I'm not that, like, it feels good, but like, I don't know, there's something about it that's like, it tastes cheaper. I don't know. I need to rinse my mouth out because like it tastes. Going to be putting this right in the shower as soon as this video is done. I have the Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. So this is a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients. Nourish, polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, radiant complexion. Lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. I had a sample of this that came with my Ipsy bag back in I have no idea when, or it was given to me, and it's still an Ipsy product. I haven't actually seen Yensa products in Boxycharm yet, and I can't help but get a little like, wait a minute. I'm fucking excited for full size, and it smells like Thanksgiving, so that's going right in the shower. And the last product is by Farsali. This is the Quench. It's a serum, retailing at $24. A serum that helps replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both skin surface and in the epidermis, replenishing provitamin B5. Skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. It's gonna be a little bit before I get to these because I'm apparently in Serum City again between getting that and whatever and the last couple of months of shit. And we are at the end of this video. Holy shit. So this was a $25 box retailing at, future me does math. So yes, even if I'm interested in only one of the products, it still is freaking worth it. Holy shit. I'm not as wowed with Boxycharm as I am with Ipsy for a lot of reasons, but there's still enough stuff that keeps bringing me back. Here we are, and as I said in my intro, if you're interested in Boxycharm, my affiliate link and code will be down in the description box. Mosey around their site, you can see what type of products, you can look at past boxes, stuff like that. I probably access reviews that people have left, I don't know. But yeah, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.